Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into it, I just want to say I just finished Game of Thrones and oh my god, the last episode, I don't know, I'm not gonna say anything, but I know I'm late to the party, so don't judge me. I finished it in 1 month, 8 seasons. Can you believe it? I freaking binge watched that show. But anyways, let's get into it. So today we're gonna do a party wear slash date night wear makeup look. It's gonna be something like the eyes is gonna be really bold and our face is gonna stay pretty neutral. So before I say any more, let's just jump into it. Okay, so we're gonna start with the eyes. Obviously I've already done my eyebrows. I use the Anastasia brow pomade and then the clear gel. I will list all of those in the description box and all the other makeup products that I use. So let's start with the eyelid. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. All Day Stay eyeshadow primer. I used this in my other video and I really liked it. So let's see, and a little goes a long ways actually. Alright, so now that that's blended in, I'm gonna put my hair away real quick. Alright, so I am going to use the Opposites Attract palette from e.l.f. So when it came, some of the shades came in broken, so like you can see the yellow one right here, but they sent me a new palette and I forgot to grab that one. It's okay, we'll just use this one. So to set that eye base that I use, and honestly you don't even have to use the eyeshadow to set it because it sets really well and it's not tacky or anything like that, but I'm gonna go ahead anyways. I'm gonna use this shade right here and it's kind of gonna act as a transition shade basically, I think. Just pack it on there. I'm going to take the color Saucy and this is going to act as a transition shade. So basically just packing it on the corner of your eye and dragging it along on the crease. Same thing on the other eye. Alright, so now that we have our transition shade done, I'm gonna go back in the palette and take the color Warm. It's like a lighter brown shade. So this is basically just going to help us build in that smokiness. You know, we're not trying to go right away with double act because then we're just gonna look like a freaking raccoon. So let's just work our way up. Basically doing the same thing how we did with the yellow shade, the Saucy, working it with the outer corner and working our way to the crease. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm gonna go back into that yellow shade. It's called Saucy, and take the e.l.f. blending fluffing brush and kind of blend it in. Blend that brown in. Alright, so now that we have a little base for our smokiness, now we're gonna go in the color called Genuine. It's like a black. It's not fully black, but it's a, I feel like it's a middle of dark gray and black. It's a matte shade, not shiny at all. So I was actually using this 2 days ago, and oh my god, it's so freaking hard to blend in. But it works and it looks good, but it's just hard to blend in. Don't even get me started. So, but I like the other shades in the palette. I think they're actually really nice. But I think maybe it's because it's just a black shade that it's hard to blend in general. But anyway, so with this one, again, same thing, putting it in the outer corner and kind of go into the crease. So right now I'm just kind of packing in where the place that I want it to be. And I'm bringing this in like halfway to my eyelid. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into that brown shade that we use as a second transition shade. It's called Warm, and take that on a brush and then use that to blend in that black color shade. And don't worry if it looks messy, because we're gonna clean it up. Don't you worry, girl. Don't you worry. So this fluffy elf brush, like this, really helps blending in every little thing, all the harsh lines. I have other brushes that I use. They're like bristle hair. They're not softer, so I feel that the blending doesn't work as well as it works with the synthetic hair. What I like to do is kind of hold my eye up like this, and so I can get better into the crease. Okay, now we're gonna take the color Low-Key. This right here. It's like a very light purple, very light purple. You'll see. I don't know if you could tell the way it picked up on the camera or on the palette. So you will see how it looks like. And with this one, we're just gonna apply it into the inner, starting with the inner and then working our way halfway to the eye. Excuse me, I had to burp. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with color Warm, lighter brown shade. Kind of just taking all the, making sure everything is smooth and soft. Alright, so now that we're done with the eye, so we're not fully done with the eye, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing my face, and then we'll finish up the rest of the eye. So I was telling you that we haven't fully finished the eyes. So what we're going to do is, if I can find it, I'm going to take the, what is this? Glitter and Glow. It's a liquid eyeshadow from Stila. You can see it? Yeah, it's like in a silver color. And I'm gonna take this on the back of my hand, and I will show you what we're gonna do with it. And take any very thin brush. You need a thin brush. So right now all I got is like a lip brush that I never use for lips. So I'm just going to use that. Take it, the product that I have on the back of my hand. And so I don't know how to describe this. So it's going to be wherever your lid is, you're going to outline that, if that makes any sense. But I'm going to show it to you right now. So little by little. It's like if you're about to do a cut crease, but we're just gonna do outline the cut crease. And you're bringing it all the way down to your corner. Alright you guys, so that's about it. I hope you can see. So I'm going to do my mascara and I'm going to apply false lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so here we have the final look.
My battery died just like always. Like it always freaking dies.
Anyways, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had such a good time creating this. The only thing was that the eyeshadow, I think it's the black one in specific, that it takes a lot of blending in, which normally a lot of shades do, but I think it's just the black, that particular shade, and it could be all the blacks. I don't know actually. I don't use blacks that often. But that one was just a bit too harsh to blend in. But overall, like, I really enjoyed the palette. Like, I loved everything. I don't like using lashes, but here I am sucking it up and using lashes and it looks good. I don't know if I put it right on, but who cares? I still look good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.